Hi everyone, my name is Daniel and I am an assistant editor at Edutopia. And I wanted to make a short video showcasing an interesting AI tool that many teachers are using in the classroom. So many of you are probably already familiar with this website, it's Canva. But what you may not know is that if you go to this Magic Studio tab here, Canva now has built in a free AI image generator. So we'll hit try it out. And yeah, if you type in a prompt here and you select a style, Canva will now automatically generate that image. So I'll paste in a silly prompt I wrote earlier, a goat eating cake while on a surfboard, and hit photo style, a kind of photorealistic image, and let's see what it gives us. So 10 to 15 seconds later, Canva gives us these 4 options. And I think they're all right. This one's maybe the closest, but what I don't love is that the goat's on the beach as opposed to in the ocean. So I can refine my prompt if I don't love the output. I'll make it a little more specific. A goat eating cake while riding a surfboard, maybe? In the ocean. I think that greater specificity will give the AI a better chance at giving me what I want. And I also maybe don't love the photorealistic style. I want something a little more out there, so let's try dreamy this time. And let's see what it gives us. So besides these two, forgetting about the cake, I think these are a lot closer to what I wanted. I really like the dreamy style. So let's say that this one here is my favorite. So what some elementary school teachers are doing are projecting these AI-generated images on the board and using them as writing prompts. For young writers who might be struggling to get their creative juices flowing, a fun image like this can be a great entry point for writing. You can ask them to write the backstory for this image. Now, of course, this tool isn't just useful for writing prompts. History teachers are using it to generate engaging history-oriented images. For example, I wanted to know in a photorealistic style what it would have been like to be in the room with Thomas Jefferson while he was drafting the Declaration of Independence. And here's what the AI thinks it would have been like. And of course, an AI is not always going to get the historical details right, but that can be part of the fun of the in-class activity. You can ask students, based on what you've learned in this class or research you can do online, is this outfit correct? Is this what people would have worn at the time? The furniture, the age of Thomas Jefferson, are these details accurate to what we know from history, or did the AI get it wrong? And that's a great way to get students to engage in critical thinking and also to help them understand the limitations of AI as a technology. Right now, at least, it's not always going to get those little details right. So this is a quick crash course into this tool, and hopefully it was helpful. Thank you.